Welcome. If you want to rename your Xbox Series X, at the first you have to go for the settings. Next, move to the system and go for the console info. Then click on the name. Right now we can take off this name by clicking X. And we are able to set up new name. Click on the options button to confirm, and to confirm we have to restart our console, so click to restart now. Okay, our Xbox turns back, and right now we can enter for the settings and just check the name, and as you can see it's saved. So that's how we can change it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.